at the executive meeting of the Northeast Indigenous Peoples Forum today in Guwahati, looking at the forthcoming event of World Indigenous Day being organized by Anup Chetia next month on the 9th. We had a very meaningful meeting today. The meeting unanimously resolved to work for the people of the entire region, particularly keeping the communities, all the communities, for the harmonious coexistence. The Northeast Indigenous Peoples Forum will facilitate, will initiate every single way how the people of the entire region will coexist harmoniously. One of the most important aspects that came out in today's meeting is also the little tension between all the interstate borders in the northeastern region. Under the chairmanship of our chairman, Shri Anup Chetia, we will continue to work together with all the state chapters to ensure that people-to-people connect by organizing events, and particularly we have been organizing the food health drama festivals in the neighboring states. We will continue to work together with all the state chapters to ensure that people-to-people connect continues to minimize human tragedies.